How much should you actually spend on an RV solar panel? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others are returning the expensive options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. VoltSet 20W Solar Panel. The VoltSet 20W solar panel caught my eye with its impressive waterproof design and smart charge controller, priced at just $35.99. If you're looking for a reliable trickle charger for your RV or boat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its high-efficiency MPPT technology lets it charge 20 to 30% faster than standard chargers, making it perfect for 12V batteries. It includes built-in protections against overcharging and short circuits, so you can rest easy knowing your battery's lifespan is extended. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that many have found it useful. Now, some people complained about the included brackets being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you mount it securely, it should hold up well. If you're super rough with your equipment, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, portable solution for charging your RV battery. Skip this one if you're looking for something with higher wattage for larger setups. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the VoltSet's lower wattage bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with much higher capacity. Product number 2, Ecoorthy 200W Kit. Next up is the Ecoorthy 200-watt solar panel kit, which really caught my attention for its complete setup, priced at $219.99. If you're serious about going off the grid, this one's definitely worth a look. This kit includes two 100W high-efficiency panels, which can output around 800 WH a day under optimal sunlight conditions. That's enough to power your RV essentials without a hitch. Its 21.5% efficiency is impressive, and the durable aluminum frame ensures it can withstand harsh weather. With standing winds of up to 2,400 pascals and heavy snow loads of 5,400 pascals. The 4.6-star rating from 1,100 reviews speaks volumes about its reliability. However, some users mentioned that the installation process can be a bit tricky for beginners. But honestly, if you're committed to DIY projects, you'll get the hang of it. If you're looking for a plug-and-play option, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want a complete solar solution for your RV or camper. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler and less involved. Considering all it includes, it's a decent value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a starter kit. Product number 3, Renegy 100W Starter Kit. The Renegy 100W 12V Solar Panel Starter Kit is another fantastic choice, priced at $153.99. This kit is perfect for anyone starting their solar journey, so it's worth checking out. With an efficiency rating of 22.5%, this panel can generate around 500 WH a day, depending on sunlight. The kit includes everything you need: a charger controller, cables, and brackets. It's also got a market-leading 10-year service plan for the panel material and workmanship, along with a 25-year power output guarantee. With 4.7 stars from over 4,000 reviews, this one is a crowd favorite. Now, some users did report issues with the charge controller not working right out of the box. Here's the thing though, Renegy's customer service is well rated, so they'll likely help you sort out quickly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable starter kit for your RV. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a higher power output right away. Considering the warranty and support, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something even more cost-effective, let's look at the next product. Product number 4. PooXy 7.5W Charger. Next up is the PooXy 7.5W Solar Battery Charger, priced at just $39.98. This budget-friendly option is great if you just need something simple to maintain your battery's charge. This charger features an intelligent charge controller that protects your battery from overcharging and damage. It's designed for various vehicles, making it versatile for RVs, boats, and motorcycles. With a 4.4-star rating and over 6,300 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice among users looking for a maintainer rather than a full system. Some users reported that its wattage might not be enough for larger batteries. But here's the thing. If you just want a reliable way to keep your smaller batteries topped off, this is a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and easy solution to maintain your battery. Skip this one if you need a charger that can handle larger power demands. For what you pay, it's a smart little investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power for a larger setup, here's our last option. Product number 5, Ecoorthy 400W panels. Finally, we have the Ecoorthy 400W solar panels, priced at $219.59. If you're ready to go big with your solar setup, this option is worth considering. This kit includes 4 100W panels designed to deliver up to 25% efficiency thanks to advanced N-type solar cells. That means you'll get reliable output even in low light conditions. It's built sturdy and can withstand tough weather, making it ideal for off-grid applications. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 600 reviews, it's got a solid reputation. However, some users found the shipping process a bit slow. But honestly, once you have these panels set up, the performance is impressive, so it's worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful solar system for your RV or home. Skip this one if you only need a small setup or a trickle charger. Given its output and versatility, it offers good value for the investment. So, we've covered a range of options from affordable trickle chargers like the VoltSet and PooXy to powerful kits from Ecoorthy and Renegy. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about your specific needs and budget. Take your time to choose the right solar panel setup for your RV adventures.